In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix cannot get mail pop-up on iPhone for mail server not responding. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. And if you get an error like this, it often happens when your mail client's security tokens glitch, your network drops, or your email provider forces an update that hasn't synced to your settings. So the first thing you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen, turn on airplane mode, and then wait about 10 seconds. This is going to cut off any wireless radios, then turn it back off again, and then open up your mail app. So I'm going to go over to that right now. And then in my instance, I just need my Face ID. And from here, I'm just going to swipe up on the very top. And once I do that, it's going to do a quick refresh. And then just go ahead and see if that works, because that should definitely work. And then what you can also do is delete and relink an email account if you want to. So I can go over to my settings application, then scroll down all the way to apps at the very bottom, and then just go ahead and go over to your mail app. So obviously that's going to be on M, then go over to it, then go over to mail accounts, and then find whichever email that you want to first delete, and then re-enter that one. And then that's it, you'll be good to go.